let's prepare our chicken butter sauce. So this is the vegetable blended, and I have my sauce on the fire ready. I'll be adding it to it. Don't forget, we are making chicken butter sauce. Full video is on my channel. You can watch it. So this is it. We added our vegetable blend to the sauce in the pan. Then I have my chicken prepared. So this is the chicken breast prepared. We're adding it now. After adding this chicken breast to my sauce, I will give it almost 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll be adding more butter to it and a bit of fresh parsley. So this is the sauce now, our chicken butter sauce. It's ready to pair with rice, and we will add a bit more of the butter also.